Hey friends, I want to do an update video on Ride, where I'm at, where we see the stock, what's going on here. So obviously, are we watching Ride try to make its way back to a $5 mark here? Now for 3 weeks now, we have had nothing but high walk up in Lordstown here. We had one massive sell day here on July 26th, but other than that, we popped right back and we're going straight up. So we broke into the 130s today. We did that pre-market and breaking into that. Now, last time we saw Ride here at these prices was back in May. We made it right to a 245 mark and then we had massive sell-off. But we lost a lot in the market at that time and EV stocks were not doing well at that point. Getting Ride back to a $3 to $4 mark here in trying to get to a 5 here by the end of the year, I don't think that's as crazy as it sounds. And let me explain. A few things that we see right now with Ride is that it has this brand new CEO, this new guy that is coming in, and he is saying and demanding to have production up and going here and get cars sold on the road at a high volume. Now, we've been here before, but hopefully, people seem to be taking this guy pretty serious. We're fingers crossed here. So, really how I have broken down all of this year, I have just looked at this whole year as a buy year. If we can say that, it's just been a bear market where it's been nothing but a buy market. Next year's going to be totally different because we're going to have nothing but what next year? Election talk. All we're going to hear about next year is elections. I mean, it's going to be like January 1st. Here we go. And of course, every candidate, whether they're Democrat, Republican, neutral, whatever they are, they're going to be talking about one thing: green energy, EV stocks, electric vehicles. And right now, Lordstown is a American-made company that, they have a real factory in Ohio. I've seen it with my own eyes. They're trying to get this thing up and running, trying to get it up and as a functioning company people can buy vehicles from. And that's what, right now the investors are wanting to see. They're wanting to see proof of what Lordstown is going to do here. So, in saying that, we're definitely in something right now where we're going, okay, is this a fake pump or are we actually about to see something actually take place here? So that's the question on a lot of people's mind right now with what's going on here. I am going to take the crazy road here and say I do believe the market is trying to turn around here. We're seeing something happen here in the last month now with the market, where the market is saying, you know what, inflation, I don't want to dare say it's coming down, but I will say it's kind of just it's hit its peak here. Gas is going down a little bit. Things are kind of calming down. So the question is the market going to start to catch up here? And I think we're seeing a little bit of that. Very little. But friends, at either rate, whether you're investing in Lordstown or another EV stock, I really think this is the time to start looking at EV companies in general for the future. So even at 230, 240, I really do believe Lordstown's, for the future of having it, is going to be a great price. Because I think a lot of us that are looking at this are looking into the future with holding the stock, and this is something that we really need to pay attention to and keep on the top of the favorite list here with Lordstown. So friends, with all that said, I really do wish everyone the best of luck with this one. Very bullish here, very, very bullish, and don't look at this as a short play. Look at this as a long-term play to where you're thinking like, okay, 3 years from now, I want to see, that I have like 500 or 3,000 shares of Lordstown, because this could be within the next 2 to 3 years. By the next election and after, we could be looking at a $5 to $10 stock, depending on where this EV market really takes off. So friends, with all that said, I really do wish all of you luck. Remember, take care, and I will talk to you later. Bye, everyone.